Welcome to Soul Haven. If you've been questioning yourself, replaying conversations, or feeling unsure of your choices, this meditation is for you. Self-doubt can be quiet but heavy. And right now, you don't need answers. You need steadiness. Let's begin by taking one slow breath in together and exhale. Find a comfortable position, sitting or lying down. Allow your body to be supported. Gently close your eyes. Take a slow breath in through your nose and release it through your mouth. Again, inhale and exhale. Let your nervous system know that it's safe to pause. I want you to bring your awareness inward. Notice if there's a voice that questions you, your choices, your timing, or your worth. You don't need to silence it, just notice it. That voice developed to protect you, even if it no longer serves you now. Let it be here without control. Now imagine that voice of doubt as a cloud passing through the sky. It's present, but it's not you. You are the sky. The doubt is only passing weather. With each breath, create more space between yourself and the thoughts questioning you. They don't define your truth. Bring your attention to your chest. Imagine a steady, grounded presence there. Quiet confidence that doesn't need to prove anything. With each inhale, feel stability growing. With each exhale, feel self-judgment soften. You don't need to be certain to be worthy. You don't need perfection to trust yourself. Silently repeat, I am allowed to take my time. I am allowed to learn as I go. I am allowed to trust myself again. Let these words land gently without force. Confidence doesn't rush. It grows in safe, quiet moments like this. Begin to bring your awareness back to your body. Notice the space you're in, the steadiness beneath you. Take one final deep breath in and release it slowly. When you're ready, open your eyes. You don't need to eliminate doubt. You only need to stop letting it lead. You can return to this sense of trust whenever you need.